So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So I say me can go through it quick and fast. So we have Anna, you know what I mean, I go sue her mother and her alleged baby father, you see me, cause him go get her youth birth paper, and I think that's against the law too, you know, so him can get in a trouble for that. We have Mika clap back on Daima again. We have Daima, this up Royal Dog, and you know what I mean, I think Roger dead too, and somebody else, me remember, you see me, we have Shibada talk about Daima and Royal Dog situation and some other things, cause you know him talk about things where you see what go on in the media space, right? We have Rosealee clap back on Shay, you know what I mean, I say Shay need to buy her youth things like clothes and them something because she not do that. Shay clap back. So let me see if me left out nothing. Blame them and the lion man link up, but the lion man jump left, blame them my people. It look like say blame them thing a water down. You see me, I was sure that we do not want to tell more. The thing if him just a level out or a water down, him thing a water down, see? So I don't know if me left out nothing, but these are some of the things, or maybe all of the things me have to share with Uno, but you are go on. Maybe add more things as we go on, so me could kick it off.
Audience, right? But a man can go collect my baby birth paper when me no collect my baby birth paper. The look red paper I have. Me no collect my pitney birth paper as yet because me know I'm busy and me have things to do. Cause when I go down there, me have things planned for the baby birth paper, right? This man collect the baby birth paper without my permission. My permission, you know. Collect my pitney birth paper, you know. Are you telling me that me can lock him up for that? Are you telling me that me can lock him up for that? Me no collect my pitney birth paper, you know. A man can go where I go and come collect my pitney birth paper and come on internet and show up my pitney birth paper and the birth certificate. Me not even collect my pitney birth paper, everything for me pitney up on the internet. And when me come chat as him, the only thing me get a bring down. Me never see you yet. Never. I set up little rules and regulations, brother, for little man. Are your grandson, brother? Just like how Shay Tariq are your grandson. You wouldn't want none of them sitting here happen to him. By the way, you're not curious. You the said one come out and say Tariq and a fish and Taji. And oh, she forgot to do a DNA test. Them little dirty behavior, yeah, me not like it. And I see him thing when me I change about my little self. So how can a man go collect my baby birth certificate? And me not collect my baby birth certificate as yet. Me have a little red paper when I for go down at the birth certificate place and collect in birth paper. But it's a screen recording me pass by with the baby birth certificate. I stroll around on the internet. So you tell me I can't look up a boy for that marry the gas station. Marry the gas station, so talk to me. No worry yourself, you know, justice will come for me. Justice has spread for everybody. You're saying that I can't sue Audience, right? But a man can go collect my baby birth paper when me no collect my baby birth paper. The look red paper I have. Me no collect my pitney birth paper as yet because me know I'm busy and me have things to do. Cause when I go down there, me have things planned for the baby birth paper, right? This man collect the baby birth paper without my permission. My permission, you know. Collect my pitney birth paper, you know. Are you telling me that me can lock him up for that? Are you telling me that me can lock him up for that? Me no collect my pitney birth paper, you know. A man can go where I go and come collect my pitney birth paper and come on internet and show up my pitney birth paper and the birth certificate. Me not even collect my pitney birth paper, everything for me pitney up on the internet. And when me come chat as him, the only thing me get a bring down. Me never see you yet. Never. I set up little rules and regulations, brother, for your little man. Are your grandson, brother? Just like how Shay Tariq are your grandson. You wouldn't want none of them sitting here happen to him. By the way, you're not curious. You the said one come out and say Tariq and a fish and Taji. And oh, she forgot to do a DNA test. Them little dirty behavior, yeah, me not like it. And I see him thing when me I change about my little self. So how can a man go collect my baby birth certificate And me no collect my baby birth certificate as yet. Me have a little red paper when I for go down at the birth certificate place and collect in birth paper. But it's a screamer carding me pass by with the baby birth certificate. I stroll around on the internet. See, I tell me say me can't look up a boy for that marry the gas station. Marry the gas station, so talk to me. No worry yourself, you know, justice will come for me. Justice has spread for everybody. You're saying that I can't sue Odian, right? But as yet, because we know I'm busy and I have things to do. Because when I go down there, I have things planned for the baby birth paper, right? This man collect my baby birth paper without my permission. My permission, you know. Collect my pitney birth paper, you know. Are you telling me say me can't lock him up for that? Are you telling me say me can't lock him up for that? Me not collect my pitney birth paper, you know. A man can go where I go and come collect my pitney birth paper and come on internet and show up my pitney birth paper and pitney birth certificate. Me not even collect my pitney birth paper. Everything for me pitney on the internet. And when me come chat as him, the only thing me get a bring down. Me never see you yet. Never. I set up little rules and regulations, brother, for you little man. Are your grandson, brother? Just like how Che Tariq are your grandson. You wouldn't want none of them sitting here happen to him. By the way, you're not curious. You the said one come out and say Tariq and a fish and Taji. And oh, she forgot to do a DNA test. Them little dirty behavior, yeah, me not like it. And I see him thing when me I change about my little self. So how can a man go collect my baby birth certificate? And me not collect my baby birth certificate as yet. Me have a little red paper when I for go down at the birth certificate place and collect in birth paper. But it's a screamer carding me pass by with the baby birth certificate. I stroll around on the internet.
So many people, too much things are going like, you know what I mean? Some of the things them where them people here do, as far as this birth paper and collect the birth paper and something, Zane, it look to me more and more like say this is just for views and them something there. Because how can you in your right mind, you and the mother don't have no type of agreement and you go collect the woman things and put it on the internet? No man. And Annie help him do that? No, sir, that's wrong. It no matter if him think of him youth. You see me? You and the mother no in a nothing, no dealings like say boy you no good. For you go do something like that. So I believe him can get in a trouble for that still, you know. You know what I mean? Him wrong for do that. No matter how him feel like the youth of him. Him wrong for do that. You see it? Shibada did come out and say these people, and them, I make them a make up story and I do this for views and sitting. It looks so to me, my people, because nobody in them right mind, me not feel like can go really collect a person birth paper. You're mad? Are the mother responsible for that? Not even the father to that. You see me? And that a government property. You go collect that. You get in a trouble, virgin. You go watch some more.
See, I tell me say me can't look up a boy for that marry the gas station. Marry the gas station, so talk to me. No worry yourself, you know, justice will come for me. Justice has spread for business. I'm a baby. I'm a baby father. Right? Even if, not even gonna say that, but yeah, leave half away. Because, let me tell you this, when I sit down on the screen, I carry the page, I have nothing for cuss or, nothing for cuss or disrespect. I say, I might be say some things, and I never mean them. I not playing a victim. You understand? Your girl is ungrateful. I'm come out and talk about things because I'm upset. You come off of me, I'm a baby. Remember, you know, when me there Falmouth hospital and me give birth to my son, you cuss me say, me never call on a uno, and me never invite you. Make you know say yo such and such a good on. The reason why me I stay my distance from you is because no matter what term we go on or try to clear things up, There's always something in the way. Always I come out and cuss me and say something. Listen to me. When me I try to get to you and get in your head, me a big woman. Me I try to fix my life. I am not perfect. Me been through some things through the past. Me do some things in the past unnecessary. Me tell some type of lie when unnecessary because at the time me did petty, stupid, young and naive. You understand me? Me never did I use my brain. You understand? Right? So when me depend the live and me I explain to them about generational curse, they bring up the topic. The thing about it is that you don't read the comment section, you don't watch the videos, you don't see what people are saying about we, right? Like mother like daughter. Like mother like daughter. Right? Then again, me talk about generational curse, the behavior, the type of behavior that the parent, the negative behavior I go pass on to your child. So the vulgar behavior and the one bag of cussing and crying, them type of thing there, me I try to change that up and wall out. You understand? And try to build a better farmer myself for my son. Because me done messed up already, you know. Me can't go back in a time and change things. The only thing me can do is for try to better my life. Right? So when me on the live, may I explain to them about generational curse and they're explaining to me about it. Right? So we end up going into details when they ask them on the live and I say repent. We say me not have nothing to repent for. They say stop behaving like a victim. So me say, you know what? I just gotta be honest from the tea, because people always take me as a liar. I don't want me to be honest. I want bag of disrespect behind me. But by the end of the day, you just have to say what you say and I care what nobody say by the end of the day. Long as that's your truth, you live by it. You understand? Me never perfect. At the time, you know, say me and the youth fight enough. And I did kick him. And I said that the only thing was in my head was darkness. Me did trouble. I was a troubled child. Sorry for your short so. Me did troubled. Literally need help. Sit down and I know a little counseling. Drop out of school. And them type of way. They only think me a focus on man. And not even my education. Me not even know nothing about art schools and them look something there just to show you say yo. The amount of time when I could have take out of my time and do something, you know, to elevate my life, I did a focus on one bag of foolishness. You understand? So now, right, I said on the live that I can sue him for defamation of character, right? The things that he come out and say on the internet. But me, with the screen recording page, come out and record and put out what they want when I go so, yeah, that, we say me go do that afterwards. So me say, you know what? Everybody is saying that they're gonna take me to court for the DNA test. All me have to do, carry my baby with me, do the DNA test. That's it, done, and leave it there. So me tell myself, so you know what? Me go deal with the DNA test. I make that speaks there, so and afterwards me focus on my life and my baby. What me I say to you, my mother, right? Me not perfect. Just as you can come out and counsel my brother and make him know say such and such, I see him thing. You can't take your time out and do for me. Just as you sit down in the live and watch me night and day and wait for the screen recording for come out and talk one bag of foolishness and lies. Because remember, you know, me, you and Chanel Par, you know, so we's a group of liars. Are you alone to take yourself out as victim? Are you alone to play victim in this year? Right? Just as you're there with Lando. You're with Lando for how much years? You know how much things the man they do you? I mean now use your past and compare it to mine because that's very disrespectful because you're my mother. You're my mother. Your partner them, and none of my business. Nobody where you talk to and do what you do, and none of my business. Cause me know my place as your daughter. When you're there with Lando, the amount of time I tell yourself to leave the youth, him disrespect me, call me whore, slut, tell lies, me spit in her face.
Well, the people, this is commendable of Anna, you know what I mean? What she says she a go do, like what she a go start do, you know what I mean? For kinda get rid of the drama out of the family curse and them something there. You see me? Yeah, that's nice of her, but actions speak louder than words. You see me? And the mother, she have an understanding of the situation also, and want to kinda put in the work also, for kinda, you know what I mean, better their situation and the family communication, and you understand? Yeah, it two of them have to work together, because it don't really look good for every time them have some type of issue in the family. Them come on the internet with it and one bag of drama and cussing. Cause when I know Annie and Anna, Annie and her daughter-in-law, when I know she and her daughter-in-law, you know what I mean, she and her man, you see me? So, boy, it make for good entertainment still, you know what I mean, and they make them kinds of fight, so maybe that's the reason why them not stop. I don't know, make watch some more.
So I never spit in her face and you cuss me like dog on the internet back and forth before my baby did there, me know Daniel. I would did it on the internet. You cuss me back and forth. I could never tell you say yo, mommy tap. Oh, you think me feel? Me is a walking embarrassment. Literally, a walking embarrassment. I'm still a try hold my head high. I mean, no, say me not live for myself, me I live for my son. Me is a walking embarrassment. The man who me there with right now, I hold firm, bro. Him could have left at any time because me I make people like this, you know. And when him turn up firm and I rep me baby, our child. See the same people when we rep for our child, like the same people when we rep our baby, the same people are disrespectful because we are come out and I say you're wrong for so much screen recording and take down the baby picture and I put it up on one bag of platform. You think me care about freaking audience? Who gives a fuck about audience? Sorry about the bad word. I don't care about audience. At this point, the man they everywhere. Everywhere, any mix up, anybody a chat him over, there's a cock up in a gaming chair and chat off him out, bro. If that's how you support it. But when me as a big woman, give me some time to try fix my life. Me not perfect, I swear me not perfect. Me do some things where me fi sit down in a church and then fi sprinkle holy water upon my head. Me behave some certain type of way and lash out, and then because of the man who me there with. Him try, yo, if you ever knew more why me behave some type of way and cuss and act mad cause me feel like me I lose my mind when me come here sound, look on the video them on YouTube and go sit down and me and say, what me do? What me do?
Alright. I'm glad you never short staff diamond. That's why you don't find me. You know the style.
I can't you
find Bunny and find me.
I can't you live
No, I'm living at Kingston and Mama.
Alright, don't worry yourself, Ziggy. Not less than 3.
I lie. You know I'm so far today, I'm active. I will come deep in your pocket, but diamond you this me. Walk from dignity. I'm a lifestyle.
I don't want someone to comment on it, I know. I don't want someone to help me call an hypocrite. Because someone to come in here and comment. I do something, I will look at that screen record and I do something. Someone will leave me ends. Lift up! Leave me ends.
Yo. You know, open the already like a trouble diamond. Look for a weak fence, dog. You can't trap the diamond.
I don't mean a weak fence.
Diamond, where's the club about Molly?
No. Them boy don't care about them boy put on them boy they rough out, them boy they can't make it. I see what them boy put on them boy they turn back. Mark it back. Carnation mark.
I'm here on the blood clot place. Boy, come take me down.
The boy want to sacrifice.
If you can't take me down.
Boy want to sacrifice.
Score and take me down. Eh?
You know what's true?
Now me must tell you, okay. I'll give you a shit, you know. I'll have to post boy, I can't take it down. We'll come down now. Now you are going already. What are you circle? You're not giving to the name. What are you circle? I'm going to send them to.
Everybody at the circle with two Ziggy over here. Everybody at the corner. Them know I admit that them first trouble you. Everything then jump up at your first trouble people. And you want
why you have somebody in the circle, Diamond? We're not going to show you respect where you deserve.
None of
You can't answer for Diamond.
I want to tell us something to you. Nobody bigger than nobody over here. Say, well, we are beggar. None of we are
beggar.
All of it
You
is the
only
same.
have independent. You only have independent beggar. You know what I mean? Independent beggar. We have car and everything and house and everything.
So Roger nice car so with leather. So Roger car so with the yellow leather interior. And Roger needs a Roger tiger. Roger name.
Well, last time I right back to the morning.
Roger name Justin.
You don't know what God.
Andrew Wallace can't come to my Roger car. Andrew Wallace can't take my Roger car.
What are we having?
No girl can move them with my Roger drop. Wait.
What are we having number one over here? How the man is better way? Tell me now. Low life, Fred dog, live. Pussy. You feel like we have a circle, we have people who support you, pussy. See next gang over here. No next gang over here. Like the whole out now, run, you know.
And that me do to see and then come even black them.
Body of them circle, yeah.
And Ziggy must relate. The Ziggy as they come over here and run them and black them. And this Ziggy, look what is that woman and Ziggy what they did. What is that woman and what they have to tell me all the class. This a woman and I want to show you Ziggy. What is that woman and the class? Ziggy a class, me a call me on Ziggy. Ziggy, look what is that woman and call me now.
Who that? Who that? Oh God, man. I don't like them over there. I go over there, go back so far out and they run me.
When I mean just a come out.
Yeah, me want 100 more for that to go live. I'm going to go back for that and they run me.
Look at you now. And they run.
I'm not top for real dog. Yes, I'm not them over here right now. Look for them one by one and block them.
Here the girl now, Ziggy. Here the dirty not telling it.
Leave.
Here the girl, she my mother cuss. Here right now, I don't make my mother cuss this word. My mother can't cuss me, tell me anything. At the end of the day, me name is Van Tiger. And my name is Tiger. So anything what my mother supposed to cuss. Somebody will have a shit there, I'm gonna be cussing. I don't know what she feel, but all of them have force. And somebody says she has 38-year-old. So she come and argue with you. Somebody about to talk about if diamond won't filter. Everybody see every day in a real life. Every day in a real life. Every day. I don't care if you have a balance, I got that. Every day everybody see me. Every day everybody see me.
Damn fuck real dog, and you a keep right now, you know.
Too cute. Oh.
All that body them a very fuck.
Hey people, me not lie still, you know. Me not really see what that Marcus for, you know. Big man thing, you know. Because me see that as a compliment. Although them say what a joke to you, you know what I mean, a serious thing to another person. But to me not see the disrespect there, so me only see a man, him say something, and that was a compliment to she in a way, you know what I mean, and he make the G look away still because it look like say him not up on diamond level, but him not up on diamond level still. That are the youth monster boss, right? And him get for there with diamond. So you know what I mean? That for sure say diamond up on a level where you know what I mean way up there. Because the man say if you're there with diamond, you can deal with anybody else. That is a compliment. That is a compliment to diamond. You see me I say? Me not lie, me see it as a compliment, but me don't want to see. And you know, say me not read some of the comments. So me I go read it and see what they say in the comments from the last video. Look what some more people.
And they still them in your mouth. You laugh with the pussy.
Give me the whole side, you see. Guys, I'm doing it.
Diamond them can't chat to me, you know, because them have to help them mama, you know. And my mama help me, and my mama do anything for me. Mother, I'm a long time, Diamond, them ain't nobody. And them beg for them family, them. You can't be the breadwinner for my family, them.
Yeah.
You can't be the breadwinner. Look, this better have more money.
For my mother, look for my mother. Don't tell this again, Ziggy, look for my mother. Ziggy, I'm look young at me, can we show my mother, Ziggy? I'm look young at me, can we show my mother, Ziggy? Hold on. I'm look young at me, Ziggy is my mother. I'm look young at me, thanks to that chill.
Oh, God, man.
Ziggy, look for my mother.
Diamond, your mother to your sister.
My mother, that. I will give you that train, the tank every day.
Shot, follow back. Follow back for me. I back up page back. I back up page.
Okay, baby, thank
Right,
you
go for back up page. Go for back up page. I'm gonna beg them follow you. Please, Eric.
Bad bread, thanks to the train. TK Sash, big up on the cell. And the lot. We can make any shit for food. Cool button.
Me I kick it with my friends, look at it. Me I kick it with my friends, look at it.
Diamond, you're already at every song now. Diamond, sustain family name. I'm really a combo, I'm just a combo, yo. Yeah. When they see the proof and they still see me for trouble people. When they see the proof and I want them in trouble people. Because if I don't come back, I don't come back. Because they know that important me get up a custom out of the blues. I go in the comment section, I see some people they on. You did well one cuss long time that you were shades. Why you never tell Dirty Sanja and the whole and Dirty Sanja and Big Pussy Belly Sophia them come for me last week. And them come for me already last week. I never trouble them and them come for me. And I reply to them, this dirty girl I want to talk about me come for people and people ignore them. Come for me and I read the comment section. And I go back for them. I don't like Aries, baby. We always get basket for water. We never write yet. They always want pick B. You see them people they find fault at everybody. All him a do, you know, he ma put up this mattress video if he go like he can distract the people, you know. And he not talk say, you know, him be a man live in a house, you know, married to woman for much in years, you know, and know the man the woman no divorce, you know. And then nobody make me good on the background there, you know, because you see them, they always go like they know everybody files and for them files dirty. I know you know of this up people and not have dirty files. Your mama used to sell fuck. A pussy your mama used to sell and get if your mama on your right father. That's your family them not like you. Your father side of family them hate a dirty man. You ever they go like you don't know people background and go like you don't know people these and have the dirtiest files for land. Everybody a come about match. Somebody don't know say your blood clot woman married to woman for much in years and now no divorce. So I use mattress and cover up that. Go talk about your mate is a woman. Alright. I tell you ups and down, ever come about me. All the time I put the proving of the people them here and the people them see say them first come for me. The people them still a go like they want to give me wrong. Then a long time the man want to come about me but he never know how to do it, so they do it and the code and style. Long time he want to come about me. He want to come about me from then time if I really be a jail till now, but you don't know nothing to tell me say. I never beg him a juice yet. I never beg him a juice yet. I never beg him a night sleep yet. He never buy me a water. I will make him dance, I buy him energy for my tea. I never beg him a drinks. Never. Let me that me. Yeah, Lamar, you can say him trouble me first, but others not say it. Them not say it, you know. All them depend me want cuss him long time. They not say him trouble me because me want cuss him long time. Could have been cuss him. Remember me kick off much in it.
People, I don't know if I may look on this the wrong way still, you know. I may not consider like die my feelings or whatever, you know. Let me know in the comment section because I don't want to like be inconsiderate, you know. You see me, I say more to split justice and talk the truth. You see me? Although I give my opinion, more talk the truth. You see, because me not see this as no disrespect, me just see it as a big up. That shows that I'm at the top of the top. From him there with Diamond can me no know if me wrong, if me I look on this wrong still, but people wanna tell me in the comment section, big woman thing. I feel like say Diamond jump to conclusion right this up. You see me? And maybe them have something go on where me no know about behind the scene. So that's why me no, you know what I mean? Me can't give an accurate like breakdown of the situation. Fi say yeah, World Dog really this Diamond. But by looking at it, me not see the disrespect. Me not lie. Me not see it.
Remember me kick off all long enough and really adjust. If me want disrespect in my wood, I never disrespect that man yet. And you know, so if I tell you the truth, I never eat that drunk day until today. I never eat the dog day until today. I never eat the dog shit until today when he try style me. I never eat the germs until today when he start style me. I not easily eat people, you know. I never eat the dog shit so till him start style me. You know what's respect me show that dog shit. You know much time me buck up that dog shit, there are places and give him forward and nobody don't give him none. And make him get hype and highlight. You see things when you go focus on in a focus pad. If you go focus on how you set up in friend life, if you dead, that if you go focus on. And get one little fake shot in my hand and put it in a sling and go on like say something they do it and when nothing never do it and come over here for 1 week and act like him a Christian to fool the internet and fool who believe in him and then the next week at him that. Because you don't believe in him and you know saying wicked. But no worry on yourself, you soon see film wicked side. And when you go so you go too late, you go shame and you no crawl on the rock. Because remember God reveal everybody at times. Everybody have been there when they get revealed. All of we have a revealing day. All of we have a revealing days. All of we have a revealing days. Remember I put in a sing and go like something they do him. When nothing never blood clot do him. You know? And come and go like my Christian for 1 week and breezing off and trick, you know. And the next week he start jump and prance and whine a wicked that. After I kill a man, if you all a man pitting him, and you never once contact you, miss a friend or talk about your friend. But every day you get up in a people business, you kill the man if you pitting them and you pitting and live, your family and live life. When you can come on internet and dance, I know they little pitting them have no father, you not talk about blood clot that. We also talk in my life. I make the people them say a squash. And it's sweet, you want the name pick up and squash. You take time, you take when the people them say squash, know about this and know about that. It's sweet, you take time, hold it. Oh yeah, you're all wicked. But remember the same time for you there ready to come, no worry yourself. Somebody don't stay around for long. You don't have no friend for long. Every friend come on and leave you. Anybody stay around for long, after you tell them in your shoes. Every day you come from people, you have happy life, happy house, and your friend dead. I mean, never see you come one day, you not even look a fake ball and come put down, nothing at all. Or you're wicked and glad. Or you're wicked, you set up the man them life. All you do is walk and set up a friend them life. Anything you see your friend them do more than you set up them blood clot life. But anytime for your revealing day come, all of who when they talk about you this and you that and talk about you good and you this and that. Wait till any time for your day come, because God have a revealing day for you all away. For the whole away, I should not know you're bitter and wicked. So you know you're bitter and wicked. Me glad anytime I come up for me, never beg you water yet for you take it tell me. I thank God I don't have a people yard. I mean I got a people place. Your friend can dead in front of you so. And you just come back so out of the blues quick. You're not traumatized, you're not nothing. You're not nothing. 2 weeks time you're back up a wine up yourself like a batty fish. 2, you're not traumatized, you're not nothing, you're not lost, you're not nothing. You claim see you're rich. You see you're rich, you're not in a league or nothing. And the amount of money you make over yourself, your friend get shot in front of you, you're not traumatized, you're not nothing. You're not lost, you're not even get it up, you're not get it up a month break, you're not get it up, nothing. Nothing you get it up. 1 week you come say you're a Christian, next week you start whining. I just say, I your friend you love so much. Let me could I love my friend. And my friend dead in front of me, yeah. And me there up a bubble. I 2, 3, 4 months, me not even think me I want to come back over here so. Anyway, you're saying nobody know in your league. Anyway, you say you're rich, you have money. You should have breeze have it up for you. We should have wonder where you're there. And I feel sorry for you. We should have wonder why you and I feel sorry for a little shit house. You just want to get up and live pan people. Live pan people. Want to get out everybody. You alone want to strive. You alone are your family. You know everybody deeds. You know everybody deeds. You don't run come out with mattress and woman about come mattress family. You shame. You don't use the mattress and cover up. Tap use the mattress and cover up. Make them know say your baby mother that one day we living at the house with Mr. Bean. Married to woman with much in ears and all know they not divorce. Remember your mate is a girl. So no use the mattress cover up nothing, because we not based on no mattress right now. We are based on how your mate is a girl. We are based on how your woman married to woman too much in years and then no divorce all now. That we are talk about. So no can use mattress cover nothing. And the mattress you want to use the cover that when me not start rings on the people in ears. And you have a whole heap of dirty files and deeds out there. Whole heap of dirty files and deals out there. And love come trouble people first. Like we don't have big book for people. Yo, I shame when they only come and dance, you don't want to look bad. And they use the mattress to cover up everything, but me I go repeat it again. I mean I stop repeating. Here, the woman they live in a house with me, I'm married to a woman for much in years and I know they don't get a divorce. Here? Right now you're meeting a battlefield. War right now. I just see the company internet confront. Remember, your mate is a woman. Remember. I don't know if you split justice, brother. You still feel away about something? And you still feel away about something?
Hey people, you know say you never see smoke without fire yet. You know say a long time Diamond did want a cousin with like the ex-gang member them. You know why I say that my people? They can be wrong still, you know. You see it. But here we go on. Diamond did a cuss one of the ex-gang member them. What there? He did a cuss a female and then she start cuss. I don't know if the youth name really a ex-gang member, but she did a cuss really also. You see me? So me don't know. It look like say she did act for them and she just wait for the opportunity for one of them even slightly kind of say something wrong to her, and then she just start diss everybody because she have some things that she want to get off her chest a long time. And that's my opinion still. You know what I mean? I rate Diamond still, you know, people. I not lie now. I love Diamond. But I feel like say Diamond wrong on that one. I don't know about the rest of the person them what she did a cuss with. But I feel like say she wrong on the world dog one. You see me? Yes. She jumped to conclusion there so.
cool than the blah blah blah, but how you come here drag me into, like, how you come here bring me down into something, like, how you bring to a point where you say, Mika this, Mika that. Me and you never have nothing. Me and you not have no type of conversation, no nothing. And that's what I say is like, people go say me run out and I be defender of the earth. If the lady never called my name, I would have never said anything. If she never called my name, I would have never said anything. Hero is a big man. Hero and her can have it out. You know, at the end of the day, Hero and them was friends before even me. So at the end of the day, if them have an issue and she have an issue, whatever, where y'all draw me in your problem for? Where y'all draw me in your problem to a point where y'all try to bring me down, brother? And then we are going to try to bring me down is lies, bro. It's fucking lies. Because y'all talk about body wash it. Me say, if you have secret for me, say, I'd rather come contact it myself. Me not make people like you have secret for me, brother. I don't say me and Butter no talk or whatever. I don't say people and Butter have disagreement. I know people and Butter have disagreement, but I will never come on this platform and argue with Butter. I will never come on this platform and argue with Butter. I will never come on this platform and argue with Willie. I will never come on this platform and argue with none of them. You know why? We were once friends. I am not that friend, and they don't have no secret for me, you know. It's not even about no secret or not. I will show you something about principle. You see, when a lot of when people fall out, come and hear them out and bring them down. Hear them out and bring them down. I have never been that type of person. Once me I fall out and me and a friend again, cool, alright, have a nice life, go on. I hate so much, you don't want to see me click like and bring down this as somebody, bring down this as somebody, I talk bad about that somebody. I would never do that, because at the end of the day, me and Butter were friends. I considered him my brother at one point. Same thing for Willie. And Willie come from school days, bro. Before social media, me and Willie come. I know Willie from school days, bro. From school days, you know. Literally, like me know Willie from school days. Me and Willie got school. Me know Willie from your Pitney. So if you go fix your mouth and I go say, you go fix your mouth and I go say, oh, Willie do this, Willie do that. Like, bro, at this point you just talking, like. And that me realize that me can't argue. Like, it's not something I could argue with. Like, because now I don't argue with facts. I just talk things when I think are gonna hurt me for me respond. You understand?
On the internet, I will believe you. Because I know you won't try the government. Try remember that. A property of the government will always be a property of the blood clot government. And you decide that she should be a property of the government. Because you get to the woman who are in England and she chop up and bust up the whole of blood clot mouth. Some people say a old video, some people say a just new video. I don't know. Boy, you're in a mommy blood clot. What is that? What kind of mommy error your blood clot? Is a mommy? If you don't want in a mommy error, she wouldn't give her away. Sorry. She, if you don't want in a mommy error, you wouldn't give her away. Hush. No big fuck out mouth, y'all give them. No big fuck out mouth, y'all give them. No big fuck out mouth. No big fuck out mouth, y'all. We fuck a plane of them blood clot mouth. We give them picnic for go suck can't argue with blood clot me. Sure, yesterday you see yours, I'm see my own yesterday, today and tomorrow and the rest of the day them coming. Like how me can call Shanta Arca some call sure. Liar girl, but what? You can't even talk to shore. You can't talk to shore. You don't speak Dutch either. You don't speak Dutch either. So you still have one homework for God do. You ever come tomorrow now and speak 2 and 3 and 4 words in a Dutch. Can you have a cap for the internet? Sure you can't bring me blood clot down. Cause the clothes what the little girl in our show, she want to bathe. I'm gonna talk is as well, because if I'm mind the same thing, that's say even worse. She want to bathe. Them don't look like Zara. And our ear just for she have her playing at the sun. This supposed to look a bit and thin. And say me I run on my sound drop because I got bust off of my blood clot foot. The little girl here want comb. You could at least comb it, but you can't touch her. And white people comb her here. But you can say you can't touch her. You only get park trip. Eat park trip, cooking. I know some park and cooking sitting you get. That girl said the child look like poor thing. I felt sorry for her. Let go the lady child stop bring down each other. Me not let her go, you know.
Yo, about dirty pussy girl named Ryder Die Chicken, why?
GX. Ryder Die Chicken never match up to that page, yeah. Why you see Batman? A group sugar group up. Why you see Batman and I make Batman irritate a spray? Go one side, no? Ryder Die Chick them a look one hurry come up. Ryder Die Chick you give me a share we are talk about. Ryder Die Chick if you tell she go look for your blood clot pick the what she give away. We have to more Ryder Die. Check Ryder Die blood clot following page. Our page don't be big like that one, yeah. Hey, not tell me about the waist, girl. Exactly. What you argue with Ryder Die Chick for? Something's wrong with you. When I see that man, girl, I can't answer. She should want to see my girl. Me tell her say, if I get followers, I'm argue with you. Don't call her name to me because I know she over there. Cause share them off a group up in the blood clot. Share, sure want some clothes. Cause a Zara brand that. We're talking about Ryder Die. This is Ryder Die Chick say about Batman.
Kick her and that pussy. The trouble never stay far and talk to me now.
Me say you love me the stinking girl on the internet get. You love the stinking girl on the internet get in your blood clot skin. Them can't get in my skin. Cause no girl wanna have no big platform. Couldn't talk none about me and me tremble. But tell her already Ryder that you can want 40k followers, then you argue. You know come, you're still upon a mission. Ryder that you can still upon a mission. You want 40k followers, so me, Rosealee, notify you.
Why the people? So GX ready for war to us. But guess what? This is what you sign up for, GX. This is the territory your wife works in, and these are some of the side effects, you know what I mean, are some of the effects where come with the territory, right? And you have to just take it and don't think too deep, you know what I mean? You know, say you're a man and certain things, you know, what people say about you and but this is what comes with the lifestyle. You can't reap the benefit and don't take some of the cussing and all they bring down to, as just so it go, you know what I mean? But people, some of the things that what these people are say, especially about the people them youth, I don't like it one bit. You see me? But I guess we just have to know, say, yo, this is a new era and them things people do, right? So let me know what you think or watch some more.
Me not argue with a girl and have no followers. So stay over share live and talk. Send she go look for your picnic with the government own a levels to blood clot this. Levels to my thing. Me not argue with no big pussy girl when I have no followers. And I that me say. Cause me not help you build a page. Me not help the people them walk and look for who name so. Me not help you build a page, miss. You know what me I help share do? Get some clothes to shore. So when I hear them girls talk jokes, I love to your baby mother blood clot thing. I love to your thing. I love to your blood clot thing. Me not a case there so watch me who's Ryder Die. Right out of favor batty boy. You don't know when you don't know when me angry she go drive a smart for group up. When it burn her, you don't know she go look for sure. Sure. Hold on. She go look for sure. When you say we are paid Zara blood clot brand. It we are talk about. She go look for sure. When you say we are play blood clot Zara brand. I that more know she want to solve big problem and fear pitting in a government cash can't take her out. She always can ride her. She always can ride her for talks about me. You still are gonna need help. Yeah. Where is Shore?
Yeah. He that girl take life and have you and they have 2 phone girl life and share life together so.
Yeah.
Like a big he that girl.
Go sit down just go do what you do now. Go do what you do.
When you want to go over you know, I shall style man to know.
Go do what you do now.
Margaret must be one and squeeze her you know.
Just go do what you do, something you do. Where is Shore? Go do what you do. Come on, oh, if you make invertebrate, have you in a blood? Allah, you don't hear them attack you for laugh. You don't hear them attack you for laugh. You don't hear them attack you for laugh. You can't make them the girl and make you get ignorant. Go do what you blood clot though. When I hear them girl attack you for laugh, them girl can't see my emotion because them are nobody. Yeah. Them girl can't see my emotion, them girl are nobody. When them girl attack you for laugh, who's right or die? Somebody will walk a chase clout. Somebody will walk a chase clout. And I know me not get the time now the blood clot there. What day I think I said, Rosealee, you get the girl some clout of 500 people shop over there. Yesterday it was 20. Girl, when they not talk about me, nobody not view you. As this done and tomorrow you start your own life and talk something about you, 20 sometime all 3. A search, girl, I walk a search to you. I'm not making no that search here on Tik Tok. Shane, you've got to buy some clothes, you sure? And she say, I be a Zara, she blood clot wear. And when you do the blood clot supervising bitch, stop walking, hide and take picture. But come show the intellect like you're somebody. Suck pussy, girl. Cause mommy error for one, there's no blood clot error. Mommy error for you, there's no blood clot error. Mommy there for 3 hours for 1 day out of 1 week is no blood clot error. Error. Mommy there for 1 week. Mommy there for 1 day out of 1 week. 3 hours is no error. So all only for blood clots are gonna be on the internet. Oh, you're your stinking suck pussy friend. Your friend favor a batty man. You see my next string them a stand up so? When me argue? No. My shape man I look like a woman. Your friend favor a batty man and all you want is a perfect blood clot bust cut vagina or shape. Like you can't argue with Rosealee. Dumb and dumber. Dumb and dumber. Dumb and dumber. You can't argue with Rosealee. Share when me argue with you in a group. Share remember you have to group up when you argue with me because you can't take me down by yourself. Anything what you say about me, granted. The clothes them what you say that which is Zara with those seed. I will see the old pants, a old top, and a old blood clot slippers. Liar girl. You love cap on ya.
People, when you see the video with the Rosealee Daughta say Rosealee need a BBL, when you see it? Boy, kids say the darnest things, eh? But this thing here with Shay and our youth them and them thing there. Yo, you see when you're not really used to a thing, it no bother you, you know. No, it no bother you. But it's when you're used to something and like you know have it no more, you have to bother you and you have to think about it. You see me? She never really get too attached to her youth them certain way, or maybe she get attached and get detached after a while. You know what I mean? So she not feel no type of way with she have two youth and she not really have them with her. Enough well my people, you know what say enough picnic the grandparents them grow still when the mother of the youth them young and something and the grandparents take up the role of a mother and a father certain way. You see me? So more know if you think like something wrong with this thing here with Shay, if let me know if you feel like say she should have tried to set up her thing a way where she can get her youth them her foot, because nobody now gonna really love and take care of youth them like you, the actual parent. You know what I mean? But let me know what you think, because on a level still you know so the youth them two of them get attached to the person who them live with. Some of the time them they even want go on nobody else, not even them real parents. Them want to stay which part them there, especially with grandparents. But let me know what you think, my people. Go watch some more.
You love gonna get smarty pan ya. Me I gonna bring you down pan ya. Me gonna make you see me blood clot name and stop call it. Go buy clothes, give you blood clot picnic. You look a girl want some clothes.
Yeah. Everything when we talk. Every single thing when we talk. But you know what? This is always the problem. It's when I speak, everybody shut their mouths. Nobody not say nothing. But it's when them talk now, them want you believe them. I say, gangster granny! Gangster granny the building murderer! Murder my three favorite people and they are plum gangster granny and Winnie. The light, when they can't come out for the light, no Martin block everybody else. Block everybody else. Block all of them. Block Barbie, block this. You know when you done, you block yourself, Martin. My three favorite people in there. Yeah. My good to go. Tired of you know from where? John Wick! As much as I me I call to you brightly, I get a block. Hi! Bye! What? Yes, my love. Yes. Always a pleasure. This week has to be a pleasure. It got to be a pleasure. Oh. Yes, now people. What did I talk about a while ago? You know, I don't remember what I talk about. What did I talk about a while ago, people? Yeah. Diamond, for sure, word out, you never trouble diamond. From your ear kartel say need a vagina, you leave her alone. You don't have no mouth for diamond, because you go like you can't cuss. Remember say diamond never get with one of your friends you wouldn't know nothing about her, because you go like you didn't study diamond when you're the 6. You didn't study diamond, you know when time diamond jump out a tree. Yeah, diamond talk, diamond say them not have nothing in them name. Nothing. People can rob you anytime. Nothing. Not even the smoke shop was in their name. And then you hype up and go on up like you're a person. Because set out your record and make Trump call you. Because all if you fly out of the country and now for go back in, it's a warm time for you, you know. Warm time for your green card if you ever fly out. The amount of felony where you have on charges. Yeah. She emptied the clip. She emptied. They must say she have 3 subjects. Also something else and overtake young boy. I don't blame her, she have more subjects than me because I told me I have man and body. So I don't say them are brighter than me. If I don't say them are brighter than me, take time for her. Yeah, she have more subjects than me. And me only have man and body. She have all hustling. And you come about diamond, and you know you're a woman. She hook out the whole of North Lane. North Lane. Oh, when diamond says the woman grind on the whole of North Lane in the earth, yo. In the earth, like when Blam them say, that way you don't want to intimidate Blam them. And Blam them are real idiot enough to make all you intimidating. Blam them just shout. Blam them coming like the dog in the yard when you never touch road. In back after everybody, and when the gate open, he's not coming out. Hello, Blam them, are you there? Me don't know, oh, Blam them talk about your girl who for crutches mark, welcome to my bed. Eh? Your girl who married to girl. And you come a guani. Word dog, you're freaky. You're freaky. Freaky deaky. You're freaky. Are you the hottest blogger, Mr. Breeder Saddamite? Are you the hottest blogger, me say? A wipe up a Saturday night. Me not ask you. So me don't know which part to put in the straight book. Me don't know which part to put in the straight book. I must call Shalom! Him not talk to me, you know. Shalom! Him have me out. Shalom! Oh, for me, I saw you look for something in your head want wash. Where? So where? Yeah, it's just so wild. Them I bust it up by your nastiness. It's sweet, man. It's sweet, man. You alone must chat everybody and class everybody. You know, treasure friendship, you know, treasure people around you. You and them not have to be tight, but respect you. You know, treasure none of them something. The lady never trouble you. The lady not trouble you. She not trouble you. You like one like you and me. Walk out and lift up your skirt and know you not have a good panty. That's why I walk naked. Yeah, you always a boy like you and me. Me don't know, Miss being a real sodomite. She a real sodomite. For real they with you because me don't want no man will argue more than me and lie tell. Your serious face supposed to make me quiet. Me you can't in the house and go like say, we are 2 girls have here just a discussion. Yeah. And a suddenly a string for install. We argue about installation. Yeah. Exactly for true. In girl, but I'm always still the same girlie. It's a big me. It's a big me.
Alright people, I guess I am wrong then if you say real dog no trouble Daima. Cause here she bother say real dog trouble Daima, yeah. You see me? Only tell me if I'm wrong in the comment section, my people. You see me? So, yeah, they must say real dog no want nothing. Hey, foreign is a credit country still, you know. You know what I mean? Foreign is a credit country. And me see Americans talk about the whole credit situation. You know what I mean? And said them prefer to spend for them own money and don't use credit for do nothing, because at the end of the day, remember you have to go pay back the credit with interest, you know. You understand what I say? But it's a good thing if you want to start a business, free money, did it? You understand? If you want to take out something, buy a vehicle, free money, did it? And that catch enough of the people, them the free money. Them take it and some of them mash it up and then them in debt right through. You see me, on certain things them can't do, because once you're in debt, you know, my people, certain way now your credit lower or whatever, you know. It's like you know have a life, you know. No, certain things you can't do, you have to make people co-sign for you and them something there. So, make watch some more she bother me people.
Big me, enough of them money upon the app, girlie. Enough of them money upon the app, girlie. No man not upon the app, you know. No man don't upon the app. Let me tell you something, I said there's not a boy upon the app where even turn my wheel. No man not upon the app, I not ask no. No man, because I can't take the whole of me. I love me, but I not there with me. Yeah, no man not upon the app. When you find a man upon the app, you tell me, no man, every boy upon the app want attention. Them one with the girl them have, every boy upon the app. One with the girl them get, the girl them now out attention them. Ask TJ, my wife, ask she. It's true. I choose something, no man not when me telling you say, no man not upon the app. No man not upon the app. None. None. Me not care how rough them want rough up them voice. No boy. Me not see no straight man upon the app. None. Me not ask nobody no question. All of them wrong cause you poop up and shit up. All of them literally. Is it you wanna take anything at all? Any single thing? Take for instance, let me use my best friend for example. You think me, say me and Fabi, you think me could I deal with Jayden? You're mad. Me no want no boy will give me competition with them all. Me no want no boy will find fun out of talking to a man like how he should have talked to me. Me no want no man will stay so. He have to be a comedian single. It's true. Jayden brave for talk about female. But what about the ones them who really are doing it behind closed door? Eh? So explain it. Me no want no boy at all with me and I put myself together the same way. Go on here, sir. I want someone masculine. I want something like that and say, that's my man. There goes my man. I don't know how to do this and I make me enough. There goes my man. I want to see my man bop it with him split in half. And him look cool and crow. Him just supposed to look more than me, my love. Yeah, you know, so that's a man when you see him, a man that, you know. Man that, I don't like the boy them. But you know, so when you see them, you say the boy they will play. Because you care how much beard you have for your face. We can't see right through here. Oh, we can't see right through here. Them never have no big market. Them have the Walter PKK Saturday night special and unfair. Them never reload. They never know so the king of Tik Tok. Somebody could have shoot them down so quick. Them are shooting quickly because World Dog run out of bullet. Remember World Dog talk too early. World Dog class them are too early because you can tell them I say are all big. We know that. You can tell them I say Daima want a man no want you, we know that. You tell them I said Daima pay a little boy you take, we know that. But listen to what you say. First you say I old big but I pay a little boy should take. And them no want her. She never have them for stay after Daima don't own a nursery. She don't own a nursery, she don't want nobody growing her old. She never tell us she keep gradation. I'm gonna tell you the truth from heaven to earth. Barbz favor Wilbert. Then that's how we get a vision of how Wilbert are going to look when him grow up. If the Ants family them smart, them watch Rosealee walk. Yeah, them watch our journey. Yeah, come here. Me say soon I look on Barbz. Rosealee. He's who encourage you to buy them so. You see when I look on Shanta, Shanta fever when Ramesh push her down in the bush. You know, it's for true. Shanta fever when Ramesh push down my in the bush. I kid you not. No. When I look on the little boy, I don't know if you want to watch TV, but I never watch some vampire show and them go way back in the centuries. And Rosealee slow on life and can't dress her kids. You know, say you're wicked and out to order. Why you buy so much clothes for your children? They're supposed to wear bikini because you know the house hot and dirty. I say when I see a picnic, they miss Rosealee. I'm worried. Barbara look like him doing days, you know. You know, Barbara look like him doing days. Barbara look like him doing days in that blue suit there. One time when I did young, I used to watch one cartoon with one blue elephant and him a blue, in full blue. A Jumbo the cartoon name. Eh? Money for your Jumbo. See when I see Barbara bring me back to my youths. And you really dip on internet and post share and baby, you picking them shine. Me wonder for the first set of AI them they come for you with a mark. I don't know which mark. You see how you picking them blessed with fire, you know. You know, so I'm not tell no lie. You pay them have a different set of beauty. I don't know if I say them cute or what. But them have a different set of beauty, Rosealee. And know them not look civilized. I say Chantel in a one dress, a Shanta in a one dress. Them not even about that trouble. Because I just feel like say a cancer month and she put on her pink. I just feel like a cancer month and the little baby I try to celebrate the month. I don't mind an argument with you, Rosealee. Go put your children them together. May I beg you. Go put them together. Because when you talk about she and she picking them, and when Barbara them dress up, them look dirty. Oh, you pick them greasy so. Too much cholesterol in their baby them blood. Too much cholesterol in the baby them blood. You pick them can't wait for the camera flash them shine them greasy. And you proud for sure that? You better go put that in a one black and white photo and frame it. Baba look like he must struggle in the blue too, you know. Whether by eat or tightness, something about him. Something about him. Whether they eat about him or the close up of the garment. Me know something about the little baby. And see me? And you look like the shoes are rubbing heel back, Rosealee. You agree, say put some Vaseline intensive care.
Alright, people, so I want to tell me like, oh, these things when them people here say affect Rosealee youth them. I don't feel like say it not affect them, you know. It affect them. You see me? But tell me people how it affect them and what you think like in the long run the result are gonna be when they come to them. Because especially the daughter, it a grow up fast. It a turn her in a woman before time. That me I tell you say these things are do. You see me I say? Believe it or not, it a turn this little girl here in a woman too fast. You hear me say? Remember me did tell you no. I don't know watch and see. It a introduce her to certain things where she don't have no business talking about. Because she a hear the things them. Nobody feel like the picnic them not hear. Them a watch it. And it maybe affect her when she go to school also. Because the rest of picnic them a see some of the things them. You understand me? So we're not careful what I do with people picnic, virgin. We're not careful what I do with people picnic. You see me I say? People, you know what I'm going to do? We're going to watch a little bit more of this and then we're going to move on.
Yeah. Baba, I'll have an inside shirt. Rosealee, where you live again? When you leave, cause me can't find my way. And a TikTok liar send me.
Y'all don't find this oddly convenient and suspicious that a whole shipping container with preserved chicken, that chicken is still fresh when it hits that sand, just washes up in Jamaica? There's no traces of the ship where this container mysteriously fell from. There hasn't been any claim from any business reporting missing inventory. If I'm handling inventory for my business and thousands of chicken packages randomly disappear, you don't think I'm gonna report it? You don't think that shipping container that weighs 1,000 pounds would be further out in the beach? How did it make its way all the way to the shore, just perfectly placed there? And from me doing some research, I found out that chicken spoils quickly. It doesn't take a long time for chicken to go bad. These chickens don't look rotten to me. They look perfectly preserved. You see when something is too good to be true and they're like setting a stage and everything looks perfect? This is exactly what's going on right here. We cannot be that gullible as a society. There's way too many red flags and there's way too many things that are not adding up with this. I'm still waiting on that business to report their missing inventory, because that's way too much chicken for you to not say nothing and for you to not report it. My people in Jamaica, don't eat this. Don't eat this chicken.
Cause I no shame. No matter how I bring you down, you like it. You like call me him, you know what I mean? You no shame. I can't argue with you, bro. You irritate my spirit, bro. I tear down, man. Bumbo clot. Yo, Jayden.
Go suck out your mother, batty boy.
I one thing me I tell you, bro.
Go suck out your mother, pussy.
I tell you right now, look at batty boy.
Yeah, I'm out your mother, batty boy.
No, hold on, me talk.
We are going to take you down, you know. We are going to take you down.
Let me tell you this, bumbo clot. I one thing me I go tell you, look at waste, man. Go take down that big thinking so mama we don't know.
We are going to take down the bumbo clot, pussy. Go suck out your mother.
Yeah, waste, man. Let me tell you this. I one thing me I tell you.
Blame them.
Hey, look at batty boy. Tap follow me up. Look at batty boy. I tell me I tell you.
You are not
Look at big thinking. What this batty man. But now I'm out there batty boy. Dog, me not rate dog. Tell me I tell you, look at batty boy.
Suck out your mother, boy.
You see a paintbrush you put in your batty now.
Me and them go.
You see a paintbrush you put in your
Where you
batty.
talk about, Janu?
Yeah, batty man, a paintbrush you put in your batty. Go now I'm out there mother batty boy. No boy put paintbrush on him batty can't talk to me. You know girl can't try anything there with me. When I found look a low life, bro. I'm telling you every day, say, hold on upon your low life. Me can't argue with you, no shame. Or you feel like me top come life certain way. Can me say no worth it? You no shame, bro. That's why me top come life, you know. Can me say no worth it, bro. Me sit down and me toe to toe with you every day. I don't know change. I don't know try to make a better. Me no need to talk to you again. Me I do my music. And music, me I promote our money. If you play my children and make two little kind, me do it. But me not song with you, cause you not no shame. Me not waste my breath and my strength argue with you. Cause you not no shame, bro. You not no class. You not no ambition. You not no drunk or youth. Oh. Me tear down, bro. Me tear the argue with you, no shit in a bucket. I tired of it, bro. You toe to toe with people too much, dog, and you not no shame. No matter how me talk, you know, dog, you not no shame, bro. Me come, you know me carry on people, I know all on the business, and you still come here to argue with me. You know no shame, bro. You know no ambition, bro. Oh. And I think I found toe to toe with you, dog. Me not toe to toe with you, bro. Me tear that, dog. Me tear that now, man. I look at batty man one day, where I push up paintbrush in my batty. They come to me live and chat to me. Hey boy, a paintbrush you put in your body, you can't talk to me. Let me add 1-7. Let me add 1-7. Savvy, accept him. Accept that. I'm not too bad. Gold digger. Come people them love me. Gold digger come in our life. No big dirty thinking, Crawford. No bad mind. I empress. No too bumbo clock bad mind. One Savvy, one. You know, see them. Then see them. The guy has said he report me page. I am. You know your record when me play.
No, but you record of it. Yeah, hear me? You have cost me a service.
I know you can admit to it. If any people can report me live, bro. Oh, look back him. I'm making an area again. See it here? My so good age.
Safi, I'm a rich friend. Safi sent me all 5 firebirds in one day. They can't do that,
What I'm trying to tell you, and you don't even need to know, you have millions of supporters. Tell Savi, like, say, let me make Savi know that we gonna